Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll compare DistroKid and Ditto music to help you decide which one is better. Let's get started. DistroKid charges per release $19.99 per single and $29.99 per EP or album, making it appealing to occasional uploaders. Ditto music uses a subscription model, charging $29 per month for unlimited releases, which is better for frequent creators. Regarding payouts, both use PROS systems. DistroKid pays out monthly within 10 to 15 days, minus a small admin fee. Ditto music also pays monthly, usually within 7 to 10 days, and allows instant withdrawals, although delays can sometimes occur due to high volume. Consider your release frequency to determine which option is more cost-effective for you. Comparing upload speeds, DistroKid processes tracks within minutes using its cloud-based system. Ditto music takes 1 to 2 hours with batch processing, but it supports bulk uploads for multiple tracks at once. Both services provide core features like global distribution to over 150 streaming platforms, including Spotify, Apple Music, and TikTok. They also offer royalty tracking and analytics to help monitor your earnings. DistroKid stands out with custom royalty split options for working with collaborators, along with free tools for artwork creation and social media integration. Ditto music focuses on direct-to-fan sales and built-in promotional tools for better artist engagement. Both platforms are also adopting AI technology. Ditto music uses blockchain for transparent royalty tracking and potential audit standardization. DistroKid is expanding with AI-driven analytics to provide better insights for artists. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.